So I haven't had really any time to really smash anything, but now I can really change that. Here it is. So about, I would say like 4 to 5 months ago, I smashed this, a coffee maker. And I did a very terrible skit about it. But then I realized I'm gonna put too much editing work into this, so I'm just might as well just smash it automatically all the way. And besides, this one has an LCD screen. But, you know, this is an old coffee maker, and I just want to smash it. So, let's get right to the video. What a beautiful screen it is. Beautiful heat pipes it is, because wow, that has a lot of energy to it. Okay, and that is it for Smashing Coffee Maker. See you later.